Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hi and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Alors, ça fait longtemps means it's been a while. Ça fait longtemps. It's been a while. And I always love to do series about pronunciation with common French words. Today, I selected 10 common French words that are really hard to pronounce. So we'll practice together. Hopefully, you're well awake because we're going to go through a lot of pronunciation. Et comme d'habitude, vous trouverez la transcription sur mon site internet. And as usual, you'll find the transcript on my website. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any upcoming episode. Allez, vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! Are you ready to speak French? Bon, j'espère que ça va bien parce que nous allons faire beaucoup de prononciation. Hope you're doing well because we're going to do a lot of pronunciation. Grignoter, grignoter, grignoter. Grignoter means to nibble, to snack. Grignoter. Grappiller. Grappiller. Grappiller means to cherry pick, to scrape. Bringue-ballé. Bringue-ballé. Bringue-ballé means to sway, to shake, to wobble. Bourlinguer. Bourlinguer. Bourlinguer means to travel around, to wander around. Bourlinguer. Emberlificoter. Emberlificoter. Emberlificoter means to bamboozle, to confuse people on purpose. So let's repeat. Again, the idea is not to get the perfect pronunciation, it's to be able to understand some words that are very common and to gain more proficiency when reading or pronouncing. Grignoter. Grappiller. Bringue-ballé. Bourlinguer. Emberlificoter. All of these verbs are very common. For example, Laure bourlingue souvent en Amérique du Sud. Laure bourlingue souvent en Amérique du Sud. Laure often travels around in South America. Ou j'aime grignoter des amandes. J'aime grignoter des amandes. I like nibbling on almonds. Great! Now, let's try with nouns. La trouille. It's hard. You have the tre, the ou, and you sound like in you. La trouille. La trouille. La trouille. La trouille means fear or fright. Bredouille. 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 Bredouille means empty-handed. You went somewhere and you came back empty-handed. You use bredouille. La débrouillardise. 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 Débrouillardise means resourcefulness, resilience. Carabistouille. 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 Carabistouilles are small lies, harmless lies. And the last one, prestidigitateur. Okay? Prestidigitateur. 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 A magician. Prestidigitateur. This one is hard. All right, so let's repeat all together, and I hope you like this good challenge on pronunciation. Grignoter, grappiller, brinque-baller, bourlinguer, emberlificoter, la trouille, bredouille, la débrouillardise, carabistouille, prestidigitateur. Alors, les exemples. Les enfants racontent des carabistouilles. Les enfants racontent des carabistouilles. Children are telling small lies. Ce prestidigitateur a beaucoup de débrouillardise. Ce prestidigitateur a beaucoup de débrouillardise. This magician has a lot of resourcefulness. Okay, I hope you're fine. So feel free to pause, rewind, and practice. These are very important French sounds and pronunciation that really helps with progressing in French. And again, if you haven't had a chance to check it yet, I'm inviting you to sign up for the workshop. The 4 first lessons are free, so you can check it out and you don't need your credit card. What is a workshop? It's a series of 30 lessons to help you speak French immediately when you need it. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. I hope your throat is fine. Et peut-être que vous êtes en train de cuisiner ou de conduire ou de faire du sport, mais moi, je sais que vous êtes fantastique. Maybe you're cooking or traveling or driving or working out or walking the dog, but I know something. You're terrific. Merci. Au revoir. À bientôt.